What is it?
Rules of the game.
Why did I open this game? I will do another video when I'm playing and I unboxed it, so I'm still not knowing. I'll do the other video and learn.
Yeah, because this game instructions, they're giving some instructions. We need to read them before playing.
It's so complicated.
It's not so complicated. They say it's 9 players, 2 to 4 player. It takes around 45 minutes to complete it. But the only thing I guess is you need a lot of time to read through the instructions.
Yeah.